Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. If you want to update applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy Wearable application. It needs to be connected to the internet. It could be mobile network or Wi-Fi network, and also you will need to have a Google account on your watch. So basically you will need to copy it from a phone to your watch because you will need to be able to use Google services and you need the Google account for that. To connect your watch to the internet, you can simply wake up the screen, open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings you can find on connections, tap on Wi-Fi or mobile network. I'm gonna use the Wi-Fi in my case. And then here on the list of networks you can look for the category called available networks, then find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, tap on password, enter the password and then tap on connect. And if you enter the password correctly and the network is connected to the internet, you will see this, it will say connected and you will have the internet connection. And if you want to add the Google account to your watch, you need to open the settings again. So let's open the settings, come on. Settings, find the Google option, tap on it, tap on accounts, and here you should see the list of accounts added to your watch. I don't have any, so that's why the watch needs to be paired with a phone, because we need to basically copy Google account from a phone to our watch. And to do that, we need to get our phone that is paired with our watch. And on the watch, we need to tap on this icon right here, and it will direct us to the phone. And on the phone, you should see pop-up on the screen about Google account. It won't pop up now, huh? Okay, so this is a bit annoying. Sometimes it has this problem. Oh, never mind, it popped up. Okay, it is here. So basically, you will need to see this page, and here you will see the list of accounts that are on your phone, the Google accounts, and you can select one you like, and then confirm by either using the password or the fingerprint. Basically, you will need to confirm that the account is yours. And after that, it will start copying the account to your watch. And once it's done, if you go to the Google and accounts, it will appear right here on the list, but it's still copying for some reason. So let's wait until it's done. I'm gonna come back to you once the account is done copying. Okay, the account is done copying. We have it right here on the list. And now to update the applications, we can simply go to the home screen again. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see the watch a bit better. Okay, so on the watch we can open the menu, find the Play Store icon and tap on it to open the Play Store. And once the Play Store loads, you can scroll through this page, through the main page, tap on Manage Apps, and here you will see the list of updates available for the apps. And you can tap on the app, tap on Update, it will start updating, or if you want to, you can simply tap on Update All right here at the top. And once it's done, the apps will disappear from this list. And it will be right here on the up-to-date list. So let's wait until this one is done updating, so you can see that it disappears. It's taking a while. Is it because of the internet? Probably. But it should be done soon. Okay, it's done. And as you can see, the app is gone from this list. And it will appear right here. Oh no, it will appear on recently updated, my bad. Okay, and then we can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.